Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to return a T-Mobile phone. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and return your phone for a promotion that T-Mobile is having. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? So once you sign up for, let's say, a promotion on T-Mobile, what's essentially going to happen is that you're going to be sent a magenta looking envelope that looks like this, that says your device return kit is here. Now inside this magenta envelope, you're going to get return instructions. You're going to get a cardboard box, you're going to get a bubble mailer, and you're also going to get a shipping label. Essentially what you do is that you place your phone inside the bubble mailer, and then you place the bubble mailer inside the cardboard box. The cardboard box is self-adhesive as well. And then once you seal it, you simply just take the shipping label and paste it on top of the cardboard box. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and return your T-Mobile phone. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.